I'm Mark Dresner, and this is Research TV, brought to you by the Market Research Event, the largest and most comprehensive conference in the world dedicated to increasing the business value of insights.
Joining me today are the illustrious winners of the Next Gen Market Research Disruptive Innovation Award. Welcome everyone and congratulations.
Thank you.
So the award is based on earned media intelligence, and the value of earned media is something that I think is somewhat overlooked. It's kind of a loaded term, earned media. Everybody's in pursuit of word-of-mouth marketing, and so we look at that word-of-mouth marketing across the social landscape as earned media. And so, with Melva's vision and Fox as a partner, we're tracking social distribution of content. We're measuring the performance of that content, and we've identified thousands of influencers that are key in spreading that earned media awareness across the social landscape. So really exciting stuff that we're doing with Fox.
Terrific. Melva, what can the industry learn from this work that you guys have done?
Well, we partnered with TrueAnthem because in the social space, specifically within social media, traveling around, there's no measurement. And so we wanted to really begin the thought leadership about the foundations for measurement, how media should be counted as it's shared, because right now it's the Wild West. So we hope this is the beginning of people beginning to have an open dialogue about how we measure, how we think about, and then how we value ultimately social media.
Fantastic, thank you. What's particularly innovative about the work that you've done that you're being recognized for? And I know that you have quite a few achievements under your belt.
Yeah, thanks. Probably the three things that I've been most associated with. First were in the development of choice-based content analysis. Second is in the use of latent class models for segmentation. And the third is the MaxDiff, which I brought into the market research world a few years ago. And I was talking to a friend of mine just yesterday. He said to me, he says, "You've always been walking around like a pebble in your shoe." So something was always bothering me, something that continues to bother me about what we do. And what I try to do is question the assumptions of what we do in order to say, is there a better way? Instead of saying we've always done things this way, it's always traditional way, we'll continue to do it that way. I always say, why are we doing it that way? And is there a better way? And can we learn from how people make decisions and how people evaluate things? Can we learn a better way and put that into practice?
Well, congratulations to you, and I hope you'll keep at it.
We've been very disruptive in the market research world. Eye tracking's been around a long time, decades. We are the world's first and only online eye tracking that's basically done from anyone's webcam, anywhere in the world. And it's changed the paradigm of eye tracking, because instead of having to bring people to a room or travel to multiple locations, we send links out to anywhere in the world. People click on the link, we calibrate through the webcam, we can tell exactly what they see, what they don't see, what order they see it, how long they see it. For example, in video, we can tell percentage of which groups are seeing what needs to be seen. It really enables companies to now do eye tracking who couldn't afford it. It also opens up the geographic ability to test. We did a study recently for P&G in 4 countries. In 1 week, they have results.
That's absolutely
It's
fantastic.
pretty amazing.
Yeah, yeah. What do you think that the industry can learn from the work that you've done?
Well, I think the biggest thing is most people have been guessing what's seen and not seen, whether it's in any communication, print, TV, online video, websites, web ads. And normally we see with agencies that in the past the agency would come with multiple creatives to a company and they'd say this is the best piece, and the company would say no, I like this one, and the company usually win. And now they don't have to say what's the best, they just show the results. And it's not about what you like, it's what's seen. And everyone's fighting for attention. Right. We're all fighting to get attention in one way or another in many, many ways. And the first step is, did you see it? And that's really what we answer.
Terrific, terrific. Congratulations to all of you.
Well, I think we saw a lot of nominations in very many categories. Text analytics is obviously a category that I'm very familiar with, working with Odin Text and so forth. And I was pleased to see some nominations for that type of work as well. And tracking as well is another interesting area that we got some nominations for. And I'd like to see more of that continue. One of the things, other than being very unique and new and different and have a lot of potential, is something we look for is also how easy it is to deploy and how many people are already using it. And that is also an indicator of how disruptive something is. So I think that's why we have the winners we do today, and I'm very pleased with the results.
Terrific, terrific. Well, thank you all for your time today and for joining us, and congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That concludes this episode of Research TV.